Hello my lovelies, Melissa from Metropolitan Cosmetics. Today we winterize our skincare regimen. Let's fight those winter blues with Metropolitan Cosmetics and Zelens Skincare. Winter is here and defined is cold air, dry air, freezing temperatures and even snow. This wreaks havoc with our skin. As we amend our wardrobe and we winterize our wardrobe, so too should we winterize our skincare regimen. The environment with the weather causes stress both on body and skin. Dry air robs us of our essential moisture, causing a lot of inflammation. Cold temperature causes poor circulation and widening of capillaries. Not to mention the hydrolipidic film is compromised. Microbiome is not intact. Have you noticed that you get itchy, dry, flaky skin? And sometimes even more aggravated with conditions such as rosacea and eczema. Well, not on my watch, everybody. The other aspect I'd like to bring to your attention is that people who normally have an oily skin might have a normal skin. Normal goes to dry, and dry becomes overly sensitized. This continuous moving in and out of different environments with different temperatures, hot, cold, etc., is very difficult for the skin to self-regulate. And so with Zelens, we're going to do exactly that. We're going to self-regulate back to dewy. I'm going to discuss 7 steps with you. And these are the steps that I follow in winter for maximum result. The first, my favorite, biphase cleansing. The product is Shiso Balm Radiance Cleanser. Oil and water cleanser will go from gel to oil. With the addition of water becomes milk. We have squalene, fermented shiso will remove even ingrained dirt and preserve the hydrolipidic film. So perfectly cleansed without a cost, without a negative externality. Number 2 is Let's Go circulation with Tai Chi massage. There are 2 products I use in this. I'm going to discuss the first, then the second, and then the technique. The first is my ultimate favorite, the Pro Vitamin D3 Zelens spray. This spray is a misting spray which you will use first with the longevity molecule D3, preserving the hydrolipidic film, drenching one with moisture, preserving the microbiome. So once we've done the spritz, we are then going to energize the hands. And watch this. Firstly, good thought, good sankalpa. Put love, put tolerance, put contentment in the heart. This way, this way, this way. Then the golden oil. Z22 Absolute Ultimate Oil. I like to put 2 drops into the hand, thereafter massaging with the energized hands onto the face and knuckle massage. Perfect regard and totally energized. Number 3, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. I do this with 2 products. The first is the Aqua Shiso Gel Cream by Zelens. Honestly, I call this my morning dew. A thin layer first. Fermented shiso with 3 hyaluronic acid weights will literally give your skin a drink of water. Once that is accomplished, we then go to serum 2 in this moisturize, moisturize, moisturize situation. It's the Omega Shiso Replenishing Serum. It is all the lipids, i.e. all the oils, omega 3, 6, 9, 5, 7, but not in an oily format, in an emulsion. I then place that upon my morning dew. It locks it in. Dewy skin par excellence. Point 4. Choose a moisturizer as opposed to a lotion. We want those microactives involved, something richer. Should the cream not be rich enough, add a few drops of Z22 into it to bolster it up. But the cream of my preference is Zelens Peptide Restructuring Cream. We're not playing games here, people. 6 peptides, multi-comprehensive algae, probiotics, wound healing, heal the fabric, fill in. This is my cream of preference, AM and PM. Never forget the eyes. The eyes are the window of the soul. Best cream ever, triple action eye. Caffeine, peptides, collagen. Puff, dark circle, kiss it, goodbye. So those are 4 points. Point 5, we want a humid environment. Humidify your environment. Put a humidifier on. Put a couple of drops of essential oils, something that is relaxing to remove stress. Point 6, lips, hands. When I've finished with my skincare, I will rub it into my hands, taken care of, rubbing into the cuticles as well. The lips, my favorite, is the lip treatment oil by Zelens. Beautiful, 6 essentials. We've got argan, raspberry, blackcurrant, cotton, linseed, safflower oil. Keep it by your toothbrush and then move it to the bed area. Put it on the lips at least twice a day. Last but not least, rather lovely idea, gloves, super sophisticated, can complement an outfit, and what's lovely about it is it's going to prevent chafing. Once hands begin to chafe, firstly, it's not very tidy, but it can cause issues around the cuticle area and it can start to get infected. We don't want that. So like we always say, my lovelies, when you know better, you do better. Dewy, soft, plumped up skin, all year round, just the way we like it. Love to you all.